Hey there, future-forward thinkers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's reshaping industries and revolutionizing the way we do business. That's right. We're talking about the top 10 ways to make money with AI. If you're eager to harness the power of artificial intelligence for profit, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our cutting-edge content. Let's dive into the world of AI-powered opportunities. Kicking off our list at number 10 is AI-powered content generation. From blog posts to social media captions, AI algorithms can generate high-quality, relevant content in a fraction of the time it takes a human. Offering AI content services to businesses can be a lucrative venture. Sliding into the ninth spot is AI-enhanced customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming customer interactions, providing instant support around the clock. Launching your own AI customer service platform or offering integration services can be a game changer. Coming in hot at number 8, we have AI-driven data analysis. Businesses are drowning in data, and AI can help make sense of it all. If you're skilled in data analytics and AI programming, offering data analysis services can be a goldmine. Are you ready for the 7th spot? It's AI-powered marketing. Algorithms can analyze consumer behavior and preferences, enabling targeted marketing campaigns that yield impressive ROI. Start an AI-based marketing consultancy or develop your own AI marketing tools. Halfway through our countdown, we've got AI-enabled healthcare. From diagnostic algorithms to personalized treatment plans, AI is revolutionizing healthcare. Creating AI-powered medical tools or partnering with healthcare providers can be both rewarding and profitable. Zooming into the 5th spot is AI-infused e-commerce. AI-driven recommendation engines can boost sales by suggesting products tailored to each customer. Launching your own e-commerce platform with AI recommendations or offering AI integration services can rake in the cash. We're getting into the serious money now with AI-powered financial services. Algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and robo-advisors are transforming the financial sector. Developing AI financial tools or consulting financial institutions can be incredibly lucrative. Podium positions are where the big bucks are, and at number 3, it's AI-driven autonomous vehicles. With self-driving cars on the horizon, AI engineers and companies working on autonomous vehicle solutions are poised for massive success. Just missing the top spot is AI in gaming and entertainment. From procedural content generation to realistic graphics, AI is reshaping the gaming industry. Developing AI-powered games or collaborating with game studios can be both creatively fulfilling and financially rewarding. And now, the grand winner, AI-backed business automation. Automation saves time and money for companies, and AI is taking it to the next level. Building AI automation tools, offering custom automation solutions, or even creating AI-powered robots for specific tasks can be your ticket to success. There you have it, the top 10 ways to make money with AI. From content generation to business automation, AI is opening up a world of opportunities for those willing to dive in. Which AI-powered venture resonates with you? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow visionaries, and make sure you're subscribed for more cutting-edge content. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep riding the AI wave to prosperity.